ready to have your mind blown. Repeat after me and watch what happens during the next 72 hours. But the trick to all of this is you have to feel what we're about to say out loud as your new truth. No hoping this is going to work out, no wishful manifesting practice. You got to know. Because you and I, we're living in the matrix. This is a hologram. This place is an illusion. It's not real. And money's made up. It's just an energy that human beings made up to make trade in the marketplace easier. And if I can help you change timelines into a desired parallel reality, your desires are going to fly in and manifest like crazy. Now, before we get into this, make sure you throw a like on the video and also make sure you subscribe so you can come back to the video and let us know the amazing results that unfold. And if you're ready, go ahead and comment below, I'm ready. Now, take a deep breath in, deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this moment. And now repeat exactly after me. Money is my best friend. Money loves and adores me. Prosperity is my state of being. Abundance is where I live. Money talks to me in positive ways. Money is so cool. Money magnifies to me easily. I cherish money, but my inner peace is more important. And that's good. Money knows my priorities. Money is simply a tool that magnifies who I am. The more money I have, the more money I can give. The more money I have, the more fun I can have. I am the first in my family lineage to be rich. And I am okay with leading the way. Money feels very safe to me. It feels very safe. And money has nothing to do with whether I'm a good person or a bad person. It just merely responds to my frequency. That's nice to know that money is fair. Money is actually just a game to play. And in order to win the game, I got to play by the rules. And the number one rule is it responds to my frequency. God and the higher power is the source of my supply. Everything else are channels to receive that supply. So all my actions are important, but they're merely opening up channels. And so I'm committed to being wealthy and rich. And so I'm learning the skill of how to be wealthy. I'm learning the skill on how to manifest prosperity. And I'm learning the skill of taking action that feels inspired and scalable. I know money's not magic, and this doesn't just poof out of thin air. But rather it comes through a natural process of my alignment and action. There are billions of dollars flying through the air digitally all around me. And it's all accessible to me. I am loving this new mindset and belief system I have. This feels right, and it feels like me. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. And so it is. Now, to solidify everything that we've done as your new truth, comment below 3 times, and so it is, and so it is. And share the love. Share this with some people around you, some friends, some people that you know that, hey, let's do this money mindset together. Let's start increasing the alignment. Because the better you do, the better the world does. I'd even suggest rewatching this video every day for a couple of days in a row, maybe even 5 days, to really ingrain these ideas as your new truth. Say them, feel them, believe them, have a conviction that this is your new truth. And one more thing. Why not you? Why not you? It takes commitment to manifest money. It's not magic. But I know you're committed. That's why you're watching this video. That's why you're here in our Soul Tribe family. Do what it takes today to increase your frequency around money. Do what it takes today to build that business or go get that new job or get that raise. Not, of course, begging for anything or trying to make it happen, but enter the spirit of making money. Enter the spirit of your job. Enter the spirit of the money that you're making in your business. Become greatness. Become healed around money. Become your next biggest family lineage change. Because there's one thing I know about you. You have the light and power to do so. That's why you're here on this planet. That's why you're here as the light being you are. I have so much love and appreciation for you. Keep going. Keep expanding. And I'd love to help you further if you're open to it with some of my coaching programs, my mentorship, or even just our self-study program. Check out this real quick video. It's about our course if you're not in it already. Once you're inside, I'm able to help you to the next level. We all need support and help. I've had so many mentors and coaches in my life. Money's renewable, but time isn't. So if you can buy your time and you can get wherever you want to go in terms of your dream reality in 12 months rather than 12 years, that's worth it. And after having 2,500 clients I've worked with and thousands of wins, if you check out our page with testimonials, we have so many, you know this stuff works. But the one thing that most people don't know and understand is that it's harder than it looks. It's harder than it looks. And a lot of you that know me by now, I say a lot of things that go against the grain of the law of attraction community. Yes, things can become easier to manifest, of course, but to manifest your dream life is a lot harder than people think, and you gotta be way more committed and get way more support than you think. It's a rough truth sometimes, but to hear that sometimes liberating too. It's like, wow, of course, I need to be all in and I really need some more support. And that changed my life when I had my first mentor, Bob Proctor, or any of my other mentors I've had in business or relationships. It's changed my life. Let's upgrade your money design as well. Scott Haug signing off here. I'll see you in the next video. But before then, go ahead and check out this short video about our Manifestation Accelerator course. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works. But to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our Soul Tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside.